Yo, man, I just want to tell you guys, show you guys, man, I bought this logo on Fiverr, you know, because I'm trying to do, you know, just come out with another product or whatever. So I spent like $6, $7 on this logo, and I just want you guys to see it, man. Let me know if I should roll with it, should I stay with it, or should I mix it up and do it myself, man. But let me know, man. Happy New Year, have a great day. Appreciate you guys, man. That's it, let's watch this video. Yo, real quick, man, I just want to show you guys this picture. This is something that I was trying to set up. I was trying to buy a logo to set something up, man, just for some new stuff or whatever. And instead of me creating it myself, I just got a couple of pictures for like inspiration, and I went to Fiverr to try to just pay somebody to make a logo, because they probably know how to make a logo better than I do. You know, if they getting paid for it, they're probably like a professional, or they at least have more experience on combining pictures and, you know, coming up with something artistic, you know, more than I would, because that's not my wheelhouse at all. And these are what I got back. This is all right. So this is the first picture. Look at the tires. This is the second picture. Yeah, I paid for this. I didn't see it. Oh man, just watch what you buy from Fiverr, man. Hey, reviews don't matter. Yo, reviews don't matter. Like, history don't matter. Look, what is that? Toyota Celica? Like, yo, hey, if you go to Fiverr, man, just be as specific as possible. And just be careful, man. Hey, I just want to show you guys that, man. Just be careful out there. All right, man.